In this training video, we'll take a work order that we've already created and enter labor and parts into it. First, enter the mechanic or technician's time in the Labor tab. Choose a technician from the drop-down box. Technicians are designated in the user profile as technician or having combination duties. Now enter the date the technician worked, which can be any day in the last year. Now enter the start and end times. You can also just enter hours and minutes if you choose that service entry option. Choose a work code from the drop-down box. Work codes are set up in Work Code Maintenance under the Service menu. The Work Performed column opens up so that you can enter an unlimited amount of information for the work performed. In this case, even though the technician records their total hours worked, we'll use a flat rate work code that covers a specific job regardless of how long it takes. We'll now enter the hard drive sold to this client to replace a defective one in the Parts tab. A standard shop fee can be set up based on the percentage of the amount of labor billed on a work order, and parts are entered just like they would in POS entry. To group the labor with the parts involved in the repair when you're printing out the repair work order, enter the same work code here. When all of the labor and parts have been entered for this work order, you can click the Complete Repair button. This is the repair order that the customer will receive. There are other formats as well with more or less detail if needed. You can add logos and other custom information through the Modify Reports option under the Utilities menu. When you have called the customer to pick up the repair, if this is a depot repair that is, you can click this checkbox. It will record the time of the call. Each time you click the called checkbox, it will track the times in the internal notes. You can also add to these notes if you wish.